Hello my dear friends, today we will discuss about the features of the OPPO A96 smartphone, and this smartphone is the upcoming smartphone and the latest smartphone by OPPO. And the smartphone backside is the matte finishing here, and this is the smartphone looks like. And the display of the smartphone is 6.43 inches and display colors bright, and the camera module in the smartphone is 48 megapixels backside, and in the front facing camera here is the 16 megapixel selfie camera in this smartphone. So let's see some pictures by clicked by this smartphone, and you can review the camera smartphone of OPPO A96. And battery in this smartphone in 4500 milliampere battery with 33 watt fast charging support in this smartphone. So these are the features of the OPPO A96. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.